Oh, was that it?
Yep.
Okay. Hey guys, another quick little short video. We're gonna attempt starting a Patreon. A Patreon is where you give us some money, so that way we can heighten the quality of our videos. So that we can buy, more equipment, like these bad boys, more belts, more mess kits, so that we can continue doing the cooking thing, because it is called Cooking in the Trenches. And maybe we can use the money to buy ingredients for the recipes, and so we can make food. And another thing we'll be doing is we'll be doing merchandise. You can give us some money, and we'll give you a T-shirt that says "Cooking in the Trenches" on it, or that has like the front of like an army jacket or something. Oh, Corey's grandma's coming back from the store, and hold on, I hear planes coming over. Let me quickly get this tin lid on. What?
Say that they're gonna bomb us and end the video like that.
Okay. And I think... Sound the sirens, Corey. I think they're gonna bomb us.